The action camera world is buzzing with excitement over the potential launch of the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. As a follow-up to the already popular Insta360 Ace Pro, which set a high bar in the industry, this new model promises to take things to the next level with a range of innovative features that could redefine how we capture action-packed moments. If you're someone who enjoys extreme sports, vlogging, or simply capturing life's adventures in the most stunning quality possible, then you won't want to miss this. In this video, we'll be diving deep into all the rumors, leaks, and potential upgrades we might see in the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. One of the most talked about rumors surrounding the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is its next-level stabilization technology. If leaks are to be believed, Insta360 is set to introduce a revolutionary 6-axis gyroscopic stabilization system that would take the concept of smooth footage to new height. On top of that, the Ace Pro 2 is speculated to come equipped with AI-enhanced horizon leveling. This feature could automatically adjust your footage to ensure the horizon stays level no matter how erratic your movements are, making it perfect for dynamic shots that require precision and balance. Another major leak centers around the Insta360 Ace Pro 2's rumored ability to shoot in stunning 8K resolution. This would be a significant leap from the previous model's 5.7K video, allowing for even more detailed and crisp visuals. If true, this could make the Ace Pro 2 a leader in the action camera market, delivering the kind of resolution typically reserved for professional-level cameras. With 8K video recording, creators will be able to capture moments with incredible clarity, giving them the ability to zoom in on details without sacrificing quality. Another exciting rumor swirling around the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is its potential modular design. Insta360 has always been known for pushing the boundaries of camera versatility, and if this model follows suit, we could be looking at a device that allows users to swap out lenses, battery packs, or even add external microphones with ease. Additionally, we're hearing rumors about an extended battery life. If this holds true, it would be a welcome improvement for users who often find themselves in situations where charging isn't readily available. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is rumored to hit the shelves in early 2025. While nothing is set in stone yet, sources suggest that a Q1 2025 release window is likely, which means it could be available just in time for spring and summer outdoor adventures. As for the price, current leaks indicate that the Ace Pro 2 might be priced between $500 to $600, which would position it as a premium product, but still competitive with other flagship action cameras. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the official release, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest leaks and news on the Insta360 Ace Pro 2.